What features should be mentioned? About Rockville TM150D powered home theater tower speaker system. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. The Rockville TM150D home theater system offers a seamless, all-in-one solution for your home theater needs. With two 10-inch subwoofers, 6 full-range drivers, and 2 silk dome tweeters, it delivers deep, resonant bass and crystal-clear highs for an immersive, theater-quality sound experience for movies, music, and karaoke. Enjoy versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, USB, SD card playback and FM radio, while eliminating the need for separate components and a tangle of wires. The sleek, modern design features rounded edges, an elegant MDF dark wood finish, chrome accents, and a glass LCD screen that looks as good as it sounds. Customize your audio with the 8 EQ presets, bass and treble controls for the perfect sound in any environment. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, hosting a karaoke night or listening to music, the TM150D is a complete, high-quality home audio solution for any occasion. Perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, this party sound system is easy to set up and built for high-quality performance. Its ability to deliver full-range audio makes it an outstanding choice for any home entertainment setup. The dark wood finish adds a touch of sophistication to your living room, making this system a stylish addition to any room. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.